A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today is the Monday, and in Monday morning I have take a trade on GBP or in 15 minutes chart. I have placed a buy order. So I have placed buy order here, and I will keep my take profit 14 pips. Now I will explain you why I have placed my buy order here. So as you can see, this particularly place acted as a resistance which is broke out by this particular candle, and exact this place previously I can see price acted as a support, strong support. See, so this is the reason I have placed my buy order here. And if the price will go against this line, which is this, then I will definitely close my trade in loss. So I don't think so this will happen. I have full faith on my trading style. So what I will do, I will simply wait and I will find out another trade in front of you. So let's see. First of all, I have removed all the things. Okay. Nope. Nope. Let's switch to the 1 hour chart and ZDCAD. Nothing I can find yet. Interesting. As you can see, this particular place acted as a resistance which is broke out by this particular candle, and which is simply kept as a support, and that support has been broke out by this candle. So most probably in NZD will go in down. It means NZD will very good for the short. So what I will do, I will wait till price not reach this particular line, which is this, and I can see price is already reached twice. So I will ignore this trade and I will find another one. Let's see if I would get any trade. Okay, as you can see, GBP odd is right now in profit. So what I will do, I will wait. See, okay, go. You know, I do have a very small account, $108. Okay, with that I have placed 0.05. so I won't get greedy and I will take this much of profit and I will get out of this trade. It's good, it's too good. So today I have made a profit on GBP odd, and let's find another one if I will get anything. So let's switch to the NZD USD. Let's take a small profit. I will totally do a very small scalping today. Okay, what I can see here, this place this particular place acted as a support which is previously working as a resistance, and price has broke out by this particular candle. and I think price will go this much, and after that it will fall. So in that case I have to wait. So let's find another one. Okay. See, this place acted as a support which is broke out by this particular candle. So most probably price will reach at this place, and I have to find out the nearest resistance, which is very strong resistance. Okay, you can see this two particular area acted as a very strong resistance. See here and this place, very strong. So in this scenario I have to wait on this pair, which is Euro USD. What about GBP USD? Very hedgy. Did you see anything? See, let me show you one thing. You can see this place acted as a support which is broke out by this particular candle, and now this place acted as a resistance. Is this a very strong resistance? Let's find out. So what I will do, I will simply go back and I will find oh, I'm so sorry. So let me zoom out. See, price this place acted as a resistance, and it is a very strong resistance zone. So I will simply wait till price not reach to this. Okay, as you can see, price is already approached two times. One is this and another one is this, and as per my trading style I only trade in first attempt and second attempt. So I will simply ignore this trade. Let's find out another. Interesting. Now let it be. You know why this is a very good chance to place an order in this place, because price is in strong resistance zone. See, this particular area acted as a very strong, and as I'm taking a trade as per 15-minute chart, what I can see, price is simply going uptrend. So I will ignore this trade and I will find another one. What I will do, I will simply pause this video, and once I will find any trade, then I will get back to you and I will let you know why I took a trade. Welcome back. As you can see, price is trying to reach this place, and I will, as I previously told you, Euro USD is very good for the sell right now, because let me switch to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, this particular area has been breakout. See, let me explain you very brief. Okay, so this is a resistance zone which is broke out by this candle, and price took a support at this place, and again this place has been broke out by this bearish candle. So price is trying to reach to this resistance zone. So what I will do, I will simply wait hope. So what I will do, I will simply place the sell limit at this place, little bit below. Okay, so I have placed a I don't think so it take time, it's trying to approach. And how much I will how much will be my take profit? It's 14 to 15 pips, because I would keep my take profit till this place, but I won't, because my nearest, as I can see on 15-minute chart, this place is my nearest support. So as per my trading style, I will close my trade at nearest support. So price is trying to reach that, my sell limit zone. So till the time price not reach, I will simply pause this video and I'll get back to you once my trade is active. And I couldn't find any trade till now, so what I will do, I will pause this video and I will get back to you. Welcome back. As you can see, my trade is active now. Euro USD 0.05 pips, and I have put a sell order, and I already explained you why I took a trade on this pair. So again I'm going to explain you. As you can see, this particular area acted as a support, which is breakout by this bearish candle, and previously this place acted as a strong resistance. So let me zoom out and I will then you will able to see what actually I'm talking about. So as you can see, this particular area acted as a support, and after that this particular area has been broke out, and let me mark this place for you, then you will able to understand. See, price has broke out this particular area, and which is previously acted as a resistance here and here. This is not a normal resistance, this is a very strong resistance. So this is the reason I have placed a sell order over here, and I will simply put my take profit, which is this place. Okay, I'm so sorry, by mistakenly okay, so I will simply keep my take profit at this, which is 14 pips. And if most probably price can go beyond, maybe most probably price might be reached at this place, because it is also a resistance zone. If the price is reached to this place, I will place another sell order, and my take profit will be at this place, same this place. So now my trade is right now active, and I will simply wait, and let's see what's gonna happen with this trade. And till the time I'm gonna pause this video. Once the price is reached to my take profit zone, I will get back to you. Welcome back. I just got a very good opportunity, so I will simply, what I will do, I will place a sell order on NZD CHF. Now I'm going to explain you why I put a sell order on this trade. So before that, let me take you to the 30-minute chart. So as you can see, this particular area acted as a support, which is broke out by this candle, and as you can see, just next to this place acted as a resistance. So this is the reason I have placed my sell order in this place. And I always mention on my trading, if you see any breakout, any support breakout, any resistance breakout, you just see the next just see next where is the nearest support or nearest resistance. So I simply see this place is a very much strong resistance, not one time. This area acted as a one time, two time, three time, and this is a four time approach, but it's happened after breakout. So this is a first attempt and this one is second attempt. So let's find out previously this place is acted as a resistance or not. Okay, as you can see, this place is acted as a resistance, so I'm very much reliable on this trade. So what I will set my take profit, which will be at this place. So this will give me around 8 pip. So right now I have a two trade running, and one is in profit and another one is a loss. So as I said you in Euro USD, if the price will approach to this particular zone, I will place another sell order. What I will do, I will simply place the sell limit, and this time I have placed a 0.03. so if the price will approach to this place, my trade will be active automatically, and till the time what I will do, I will simply pause this video. I will get back to you. I will let you know what happened to this trade. Welcome back. As you can see on NZD CAD, my price is nearest to my take profit. So what I will do, I will simply close my trade in profit. So right now my trade is still going on Euro USD. So as I said, your price will try to reach to this place, but unfortunately price has closed below this, and price is trying to go down. So I will simply pause this video. I will get back to you and I will let you know what happened to this trade. Welcome back again. I found a very good opportunity on EuroCAD. So in this case, in EuroCAD, I have to wait to price reach this particular zone, and I will explain you why I will place this place order on this particular area. So let's zoom in. So as you can see, this particular area acted as a resistance, and this area has been broke out with these bearish candles, and exact this just left to that area, you can see price has taken a strong support. So this will be a very much high probability chance that price will hit this place and reverse. So what I will do, I will simply place the buy limit at this place, and as you can see, my next trade, like in Euro USD, another trade has been activated. So it's a very good opportunity, so grab the take profit. And what I will do on EuroCAD, I will simply decrease little bit my take profit, which will be at this place. So 13 pip. And what about this? Okay, so I will get on one trade I will get 20 pips, and another one I will get 11 pips, which is very very good. So, and I was explaining EuroCAD, and you know EuroCAD is also approaching. You see a very interesting thing in over here. I have placed a sell order on Euro USD, and I'm going to place another trade on EuroCAD, which will be a buy. So it is very good opportunity that euro will go down and USD will go up. So this is why I'm trying to place order on EuroCAD. So what I will do, I will simply pause this video and I will get back to you and I will let you know what happened to these trades, and if this trade is going to active, then I will show you that trade has been activated. Till the time, I'm going to pause this video and I'll get back to you. Welcome back. As you can see, price is going totally against me, and if the price is broke out this trade line which I have drawn in 15-minute chart, then I will definitely close my trade in loss. And as you can see, EuroCAD has been activated and right now it is going on profit. So somehow I have a faith that I will close this trade in profit. So till the time, I will pause this video and I will get back to you and I will let you know what happened to these trades. Welcome back. As you can see, EuroCAD has been nearest to my take profit zone, so I will simply close this trade in profit. You know why I have closed this trade in profit? Because as I can see, this particular area acted as a support which is broke out. So this is why I have closed this trade in profit, sorry. Now I can see the euro USD is still going on loss. So what I have simply placed a stop loss in this particular area, because if the price is going beyond this place, it will automatically stop out me and it will definitely close in loss. So if this trade is going in if this trade close in loss, I won't regret, because as per my discipline, I have followed my discipline, and as a scalper I always have to follow my discipline. So till the time, what I will do, I will pause this video. Once the trade is stopped out or it will go to my take profit zone, I will let you know. Till the time, I'm going to pause this video and I will let you know what happened to this trade. Welcome back. As you can see, price is hit my stop loss. I would like to tell you one thing. From last couple of days, market is not responding to support or resistance zone, not even in trade lines. So I request you to please, whenever you are going to trade, please take care of your trade, and whenever you feel unsafe, please close your trade, as I did here. So what I will do, I will simply close this video now and I will get back to you tomorrow with a new session, and let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I hope so tomorrow will be have a good day. Till the time, bye, take care and good night.